Hey my spooky little friends. Today I'll draw Bluey at a Halloween party, dressed up and ready for fun and treats. As the drawing slowly appears, I'll tell you a story full of laughter, costumes, and spooky giggles. But before we begin, can you press the like button like giving Bluey a magic pumpkin high five? That will make her costume sparkle and her smile glow bright. The moon shines softly. The night is cool and clear. Bluey jumps with excitement. Halloween is here. She wears a cute bat cape, black and shiny as night. Bingo twirls beside her. You look spooky and bright. Mum smiles proudly. My little bats look sweet. Dad chuckles softly. You're ready to trick or treat. Bluey grabs her candy bag, shaped like a ghosty face. Let's go bingo, she says. Let's win the candy race. Can you say boo? Like Bluey? Try it loud and bold. Now laugh like a little ghost, before it gets too cold. Bluey flaps her cape, her wings spread wide. Bingo skips beside her, happy by her side. They knock on the first door, their hearts beating fast. Trick or treat, they shout. The candy comes at last. A friendly neighbor smiles. Aren't you two so cute? Bluey giggles softly. Thanks for the sweet loot. The streets glow orange. Pumpkins light the way. Bluey points excitedly. Let's go that way. They see Indy dressed as a fairy, Mackenzie as a ghost. Everyone's laughing. This party's the most. Can you pretend to dance like Bluey? Wave your arms up high. Spin around in circles and reach for the sky. The music starts playing. The kids shout, hooray! Bluey twirls with Bingo. It's a magical day. Dad joins the fun wearing a pirate hat. Arr, he growls loudly. Where's my candy at? Bluey giggles hard. Dad, you're a silly mate. Bandit winks playfully. Pirates love candy plate. Mum wears a witch hat holding a sparkly wand. Who wants spooky punch? She asks. Or a candy beyond? Bluey sips the drink. It's sweet like honey. Bingo nods happily. Halloween is funny. Can you pretend to hold your candy bag? Shake it side to side. Now whisper trick or treat. Let your voice glide. The moon glows brighter. The stars twinkle high. Bluey looks upward. What a beautiful sky. Bingo yawns softly, her eyelids growing slow. Bluey hugs her gently. Let's head home, you know. They walk with Mum and Dad, their hearts full of delight. Best Halloween ever, Bluey says that night. Dad whispers softly. You were brave and sweet. Bluey smiles proudly. And got lots of treats. Can you wave to Bluey now? Say Happy Halloween with glee. Bluey waves her paw. Thanks for celebrating with me.